Welcome back to English Learning Easy. Today's episode is fun, real, and honestly, a little personal because we're talking about something every learner struggles with: pronunciation, and how fixing it doesn't just make your English better, it actually builds your confidence in a massive way.
Oh yeah, if confidence had a secret ingredient, it would be pronunciation. Not vocabulary, not grammar, pronunciation. Because the moment you sound clear, people listen. And when people listen, you feel powerful.
So, today we're breaking down how pronunciation transforms your confidence, how you can train your mouth and tongue like a gym workout, and how to fix the sounds that make you nervous in real conversations.
And we're doing it podcast style. Fun, simple, and zero judgment. Think of us as your pronunciation gym trainers, but nicer.
Let's start with a truth bomb. You can know 1,000 fancy English words, but if you're afraid to say them out loud, they are useless.
Exactly. Confidence comes when you're not scared of speaking. When your brain says, yes, I can say this, and I'll sound good.
Let me share a story. One of my students, brilliant guy, always stayed quiet in meetings. Not because he didn't know English, but because he wasn't confident saying certain words like develop, rhythm, comfortable.
Those words scare half the planet.
But once we practiced them, his pronunciation became sharp. The next week, he didn't just speak, he led the meeting.
See? Pronunciation isn't about sounding perfect. It's about sounding clear. And clarity gives confidence. Because when people understand you instantly, your brain says, okay, this is working.
Pronunciation is like cleaning the camera lens of your speech. Suddenly, everything is sharper. Okay, let's be honest. Why is pronunciation so hard?
Reason number 1, your mouth is lazy.
Very lazy.
Your native language uses certain muscles, and English uses completely different ones.
If English is not your first language, your mouth has zero experience with sounds like TH, R, L, V versus W, long vowels like E, OO, ending sounds like T, D, K.
And your brain says, this is strange. Your tongue says, this is uncomfortable. Your mouth says, I'm clocking out.
That's why pronunciation is not about intelligence. It's about muscle training. Like going to the gym. The first day, everything hurts. But after a week, you feel stronger. After a month, you feel unstoppable.
Confidence grows the moment you stop avoiding difficult words.
Exactly. Many learners avoid saying three and instead say tree because the TH scares them.
Or instead of comfortable, they say easy chair. Instead of entrepreneur, they say business person.
When you fix pronunciation, you stop hiding. You use the right words, naturally, proudly. When people understand you instantly, you feel confident. When they say, sorry, what? 5 times, you shrink.
Pronunciation helps you avoid those awkward moments. The more people understand you, the more you speak. The more you speak, the more natural you sound. The more natural you sound, the more confident you become.
Here's something surprising. Good pronunciation actually helps you think in English.
Yeah, because pronunciation trains your brain to hear English accurately. When your brain hears correctly, it also produces correctly.
It's like tuning a guitar. Once the strings are correct, everything sounds good.
You don't need big grammar to sound fluent. You just need clean pronunciation.
Say these 2 sentences. Bad pronunciation. I am going to the market. Good pronunciation. I'm going to the market.
Same vocabulary, same grammar, but the second one sounds confident.
All right, let's practice together. Fun mini exercises. No shame, no stress.
Let's warm up the mouth muscles. Smile wide, like you're in a toothpaste commercial. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. This helps with long vowels.
Tap your tongue behind your upper teeth. That's the starting point for L, T, D, and N sounds. Your tongue should feel like it's doing yoga.
Stick your tongue out slightly. Blow air gently. Not T, not S. Just curl your tongue slightly back. Now say er.
If you sound like a tiny engine, you're doing great. Now say stop, work, hand. Hit the ending sound. Don't eat it.
A lot of learners skip endings because their languages don't use them. But English depends on endings. They carry meaning.
Native speakers don't speak perfectly. Americans, Brits, Australians all have different pronunciations.
Aim for clarity, not perfection.
Yesterday you said 3 as tree. Today you said 3.
Boom! That's progress. Celebrate it.
Confidence doesn't come from speed. It comes from control.
Speak slow, and suddenly, you sound wiser.
Your accent is your identity. Keep it. Just improve clarity.
Accent is flavor. Pronunciation is clarity. Both can exist together beautifully.
Let's try some common trouble words. Repeat with us.
Ready? Let's go.
Think.
Think.
3.
1,000.
Your tongue should poke out a little. If someone looks at you weird, congratulations, you're doing it right.
Light.
Right.
Long.
Wrong.
Lead.
Read.
R is rounded. L is lifted. Feel the difference.
Comfortable.
Entrepreneur.
Chaos.
Clothes.
Say them slowly first, then naturally. Repeat after me. I speak clearly and confidently.
I speak clearly and confidently. My pronunciation is improving every day.
I am not afraid to speak English.
My voice matters.
Confidence starts with what you tell yourself.
Here's a simple routine you can follow daily. 5 minutes. 1 minute, mouth warm-ups. 1 minute, TH practice. 1 minute, R and L practice. 1 minute, ending sounds. 1 minute, repeat after me sentences.
5 minutes a day equals big transformation in 2 weeks. Imagine this version of you. You speak clearly. You're not scared of words. People understand you instantly. You sound confident. You join conversations without hesitation. All of that comes from pronunciation. Pronunciation is not the goal.
Pronunciation is just the tool. If you struggle with pronunciation today, good.
It means you're learning. It means your brain is growing.
Every clear sound you produce is a victory. Every correction is progress. Every practice session is building the confident version of you.
One day, soon, you'll speak and someone will say, "Wow, your English is so clear." And at that moment, you'll realize you built your confidence, sound by sound. Keep practicing, keep improving, keep shining.
And remember, pronunciation builds confidence, but you build pronunciation.
See you in the next episode of English Learning Easy.